You ate today, something cooked, the way you always do, the way you always have, and you had no choice. Not because you're fussy, because your body can't run on anything else. Feel your jaw, weaker than it should be. Your teeth, smaller. Your gut, shorter, like something filed you down. Every animal on Earth eats its food raw and lives. You can't. Eat raw, only raw, and you slowly starve, even while you're full. You're not picky. You're dependent. Something rebuilt you a long time ago, and it never let you go back. So what did fire take from you that you'll never get back? This didn't start with a kitchen, it started with a problem. Go back far enough, and that's you. Or close enough. Same hands, same eyes, standing on an open plain, hungry. And you're chewing. Half of every day, just chewing. Not because the food is big, because it's raw. Raw roots, raw meat, tough and stringy, and a jaw that can barely break it open. Hours of it, every day, grinding and getting almost nothing back. That's the ceiling on everything you could ever become. You can't build a world when half your life goes into chewing, and then you find a way out by doing something no animal alive had ever done. So what did you do? You put your food in the fire, maybe by accident first. Nobody really knows how it started, but you pulled it out and you tasted it and it was soft. It was easy. It gave you more. The heat was doing the chewing for you, breaking the food apart before it ever reached your mouth. A stomach outside your body. Same root, same meat. But now you could pull far more out of it for a fraction of the effort. And all those hours you used to grind away, you got them back every single day. Suddenly there's time to hunt with a plan, time to sit by a fire and teach your kids the things that kept you alive. Fire didn't just feed you, it handed you your life back. Which sounds like the happy ending. It isn't, because your body was paying attention, and it started to change. You think you got smart, and then you learned to cook. It happened the other way around. The fire came first. The brain was what it paid for, because your body noticed it didn't need all that machinery anymore. That huge gut built to grind raw food for hours. You didn't need it now, so your body started tearing it down. And a gut like that is expensive. It burns energy just to exist, every second, doing nothing else. All that energy had to go somewhere. It went up, to the one organ hungry enough to take it. Your brain. Less gut, more brain. That's the trade you made, quietly, over 2 million years. Remember that weaker jaw? The smaller teeth? This is the bill. Fire filed them down to feed the thing inside your skull. You didn't think your way to fire. You ate your way to thinking. But a trade like that only runs one way. You gave away the body that could live without it, and you can never ask for it back. So try it. Go back. Eat the way every other animal still eats. You can't. Not anymore. Eat only raw, nothing cooked, and you don't just lose a little weight, you start to fade. You eat all day and still fall behind, burning more to digest the food than the food gives back. Full and starving at the same time, and you shut down in an order. It guards the heartbeat. It guards the breath. The first thing it gives up is the power to make another life. For women living on raw food alone, up to half stop being able to have children at all. The body decides there isn't enough to build one, so it doesn't. A diet that, given enough time, ends your bloodline in a single generation. That is how far gone you are. You're the only animal ever born that can't feed itself. Not without a tool. Not without fire. Drop any other creature into the wild, and it eats. Drop you in, and you'd starve in a world full of food. You think you're the top of everything. The animal that won. Maybe you did win. But look at what it cost. Every other creature on Earth can walk away from the fire. You can't. You're tied to it. And behind you are more ancestors than you could ever count. Every one of them kneeling to blow on an ember to keep it alive. Because somewhere in them, they already knew. Let it die, and you die with it. That fear is still in you. You just call it dinner now. The meal you ate today was the same promise they made 2 million years ago. Keep the fire, stay alive, and this was never a weakness in you. It's the price of everything you are, your jaw, your gut, the size of the thoughts you're having right now. You didn't tame fire. Fire kept you. You won the whole world, and you're the one thing in it that can never leave.